Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how to style buttons in CSS3. Let's watch this unboxing. In before tutorial we seen about icons, how to add icons into your website. I explained in before tutorial. It's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to add icons into your website. And now in this tutorial I want to discuss about buttons. So generally we'll create a button. It's like a very easy to create a button. So is it possible to style the button in CSS? Yes, of course. Is it possible? Generally I'll create a button, so by using tag which is called button tag. So here I'll write like a normal button. So if I click this one, just reload and see that, so we'll get like a normal button which is like normally I created by using button tag. But I want like a very, like I want background should be like a pink color, and the font should be in white color. It's like a stylish button I want like this. Is it possible to do that? Yes, of course. Is it possible, guys? For that, yes, of course, I'm creating another button. So I want to style this button. I want to show the difference between stylish button and normal button. So here I'm naming as styled button. Yes. So I created the buttons, two buttons, which is called styled button and normal buttons. You can see that two buttons. And now I want to style this button. So is it possible in CSS or not? Yes, of course. Is it possible? So for that we need to create a class. So because I want to style only this button, so I don't want to style, so that's why I'm using the class here. So yeah, so I'm creating the name of the class which is called btn shortcut. Generally I'm using. So here I want to give the background color. So just give the background color of the button. So I want, like, of course, pink. I love pink, so that's why I'm giving hot pink. And now you can give like a color, that means the font color you want. I want the font color which is ivory, so you can give like white or whatever it may be. It's up to you. So and padding of the color, I want to give like the padding of inside the button. So you all of us know the padding which was explained in before tutorial. So I'm giving the padding which is like 10 pixels. Just I'm giving 10 pixels. And the text align in the button, so the text align should be like center. So I'm using this all things. And you can give font size, margin, everything you can give. Generally I want to show this one up to here. So I'll use the class here. For this styled button, just give the class and the name of the class which is called btn button, and just control s. And you need to just control s and reload it and see how it was styled. You can see that how it was styled. Yes, of course, the styled button, because I given like a pink color. So that's why it was styled, and I given the font of the color which is called ivory, and it was like style. Padding I given like text 10 pixels, and text align which will be center. You can see the normal button and the styled button, the difference in CSS. So that's why. So guys, if you want something neat, CSS is the best. Okay. And if you want like font size also, you can give the font size. This is all about up to you. I want like 23 pixels. Just I'm giving, I don't know how much size it will get. Yeah, it's like something bigger size. So like that, you want to give, you can give. And you can give many things which is called like other things. If you want like a font family, if you want font family which is called uh, Georgia times New Roman, just control S. It will definitely change the fonts family also. I think you observed. And this is all about to style the button, and you can give margin, you can give many things, guys. So this is all about up to you to do that. And we are having many colors. If you want blue color, you can give the blue color. So the background color you need to change. Generally I'll change the background color here. So instead of hot pink, you can give like blue color also. So this is all about up to you. Blurry wood, just give blurry wood and just control S and just reload it, and you can see that. So it's all about your wish, guys, and you can give many things. So if you want the size, which was already I given the size, so based on the size also the button also the size increases. So if you increase the font size, automatically the button size also increases. So this is all about button. I think it's like a very clear explanation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial to how to style the button, and you can see the normal button and stylish button. So this is all about to style the buttons. I think you enjoyed. I'll come with another tutorial which is called drop downs, how to create a drop downs in CSS. Until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like, and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just hit that subscribe button, and you're going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you. Until then, wait.